Good morning. I'm hanging out on my front porch today because all of my kids are still asleep. We did lots of yard work this weekend, so I think they're very tired. So let's talk for a minute about your writing. Oh my gosh, you guys, your writing was awesome this week. I appreciate the kiddo who helped me out by letting me share their writing sample because I think it helped us remember what our writing was looking like when we were in classroom in second grade. So you guys did a really nice job. I loved your introductions, your conclusions, you added more sentences and gave me more detail, and that is exactly what your third grade teacher is going to want for your writing. I have added a couple more samples up here, and these are from kids in your class who wrote these this week. I saw lots of them that were amazing, but I took just a few to fit on the screen so that you could kind of see what some of your other friends were writing about. If you want to go ahead and pause this video, you can, and then you can take a minute to read all of them. They did a really nice job. So here's some writing ideas for this week. I'm going to give you 3 topics, and remember, you can pick one, but some of you have chosen to write about more than one since you have some time at home. Okay, my first one, since we've been working so much on gardening and our tower garden. Your first topic is make a salad garden. What would you plant to make the perfect salad? So I don't know how many of you are gardeners at home and plant a lot of your own produce during the summer. But one of the things that we did at the beginning of the summer is Corbin had to design and plan out what our garden would look like. She had to pick which vegetables and fruits would grow best next to each other and how she could layer them and get the most produce growing in our space. So that's another part that you could do as well, and draw me a picture of your garden. But create a salad garden and tell me all the things that you would plant to make the perfect salad. Okay, your next topic is going to be to tell me the 3 things you appreciate most about your family. You guys are spending a lot of time with your family right now, and sometimes we focus on things that bug us more than the things that we appreciate. But your families have some wonderful qualities, and I'd like you to take some time and tell me what are some of the most awesome things about your family. And the third one, describe the most exciting place you can think of to have a school field trip. So we didn't get to take our school field trip at the end of the year. What I wanted to do was to take all of us fishing. I thought that would have been cool to go to a pond and talk about the things that we see in a pond, the animals, the plants, and then go fishing and have picnics. So that's what I wanted to do. And unfortunately, we didn't get to do it, but I know many of you have been going fishing anyways with your families. So if you were to plan the most awesome field trip ever, what would you want us to go do? And then maybe that'll give me some ideas for the future for classes. Okay, I want to see your awesome writing. Remember that you're practicing this so you can get ready for third grade and you can wow those third grade teachers. So I look forward to seeing your writing this week. Good luck.